Just love the textures here. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna save this for now. Jasper, I need to show you something. It's amazing. So, you see this, right? Let me... So let me show you something, Jasper, something you missed from earlier. So yeah. This... I made a body, and I'm gonna supplant this head into the body. Watch. Do you see it? Do you see the potential? I can now slap on somebody else's body on someone's head. Do you see it? Do you all see it? Do you see the potential I have? The power that I wield? It is immaculate. Is this an angelic monstrosity? No. Yes, I am Victor Frankenstein right now. Holy shit, it's amazing. Because, imagine, just me slapping that head on. Game over. So, game over, guys. Game over. I will be able to make the perfect characters for animation. Let's not save that